Good day, ma'am, sir. I'm Marian Padilla Samonte. I'm 31 years old. I'm a single mother. I live now in Parañaque, Manila, Philippines. I'm only a high school graduate. I have 4 sisters and 4 brothers. I'm the third child of the family. I work as a domestic helper at Saudi Arabia before. I started to work with my employer on June 29, 2021 until September 7, 2023. I worked for them for 2 years and 3 months. My main duties and responsibilities is to taking care of their children. I cook for them and I do the household chores like cleaning the house, washing their clothes, wash dishes, ironing. I finished my contract and the reason why I did not renew because I decided to go abroad again to another country for a better salary for the future of my son and to help my family. If you hire me as your helper, ma'am, sir, I will be honest and obedient and I will follow all of your instructions and I will do my best to do my job and to serve your family and I will always learn for a new things, ma'am, sir. I'm a hardworking person. I hope you can hire me as your helper, ma'am, sir. Thank you.